Good morning, students, and welcome back to the English class. Dear students, in the previous module, already we have discussed about essay writing. In this module, we are to continue with the same chapter, essay writing. Now we will discuss about parts of an essay. The essay is divided in three parts: introduction, then body. There should be many 3 or 4 paragraphs in the body. After that, we are to write conclusion. Dear students, I told you that there can be different types of essay such as descriptive, narrative, argumentative, and many more. Each has a unique purpose. Some tell a story, some are descriptive, and other attempts to alter opinion. So, here we will discuss one by one of each and every kind of essays. First of all, we will discuss about narrative essay. Narrative essay. Narrative means narration means you are telling a story. You are giving your viewpoint, and there is usually a reason for the narrative essay have characters, setting, and most important, a plot. After that, descriptive essay. Descriptive essay describes the trait and the characteristics of people, objects, events, feelings in intricate detail. So, dear students, next will be persuasive essay. Writing an persuasive essay is like being a lawyer arguing a case before a jury. The writer takes a stand on an issue either for or against. After that, argumentative essay. To write an argumentative essay, we need to study the present or points of view in a concise manner. In argumentative essay, we should know about an introductory paragraph, at least 2 body paragraphs that include arguments and evidence and may discuss opposing views, and after that we will write a conclusion. So, dear students, in this picture you can see that is a picture of the festival of light, Deepavali. So, this will be your homework that you are to write a descriptive essay on my idea of celebrating Diwali. I hope you have understood about each and every kind of essay. Thank you. Have a nice day.